Thanks for checking my Upwork profile. My name is Sayod, a top-rated seller on Upwork and an expert on digital marketing. I'm highly expert on Google Analytics, Google Tag Manager, Google Ads conversion tracking. I'm actually a tracking expert. If you have any e-commerce website like WordPress e-commerce, Shopify, Wix, PrestaShop, BigCommerce, Magento, if you want to set up enhanced e-commerce tracking, so I can definitely help you. I will do all using Google Tag Manager, like Google Analytics for e-commerce tracking, Facebook conversion API with server-side tracking, Google Ads conversion tracking with enhanced conversion tracking, TikTok Pixel, Snapchat Pixel. I can track all as your requirement. I'm founder of Tracking by GTM. You can check out my YouTube channel. I upload a lot of video about Google Ads, Google Analytics, Shopify e-commerce tracking, booking form tracking, Google Ads conversion tracking, TikTok Pixel, Facebook Pixel, Snapchat Pixel, LinkedIn Pixel, Microsoft Clarity tracking, and so many ideas I share in this channel. Feel free to check out my previous works example on Upwork. Feel free to message me. We will talk on Zoom and discuss about our project details. Then I will start your project.